In 1984, when it was my last year at the university in Kabul, Afghanistan, that was the time that the country was occupied by Russia. So the life was so tough. So there was no choice for me. I have to leave the country. And with a few other things that I got, my brother just gave me a thermos, a beautiful thermos, to full of water. And he just came close to me. He said that you can have this thermos with you. There is water on it. You can drink it because you're gonna have long journey. Just make sure to don't lose this thermos. I say, why it's worth more than me. And he just came close to me and smiled. He said that I put lots of money for you at the bottom of this thermos. So you have to be very careful when you reach to Pakistan, to the neighbor country. So that money you have to exchange it. And I was really care about that thermos a lot, so it was with me. Even when I was sleeping, a couple nights we slept, so that it was with me. So we start our journey by walking, from flat land to highly to mountain. The one point when we just reached to very high part of that mountain, we saw that from afar we can see lots of beautiful Christmas trees, decorated with the Christmas lights. And I asked our guide, I said that I think we are almost to Pakistan. He said, how do you say that? I said, look at all those beautiful decorated Christmas trees. And sadly, he just came. He said that unfortunately, that's not Christmas trees. That's all our Afghan trees on the mountain. Russia bombarded this area almost 2 months ago, and those trees are burning for the last 2 months. It was really, really sad. Anyway, the second night we reached to my parents' village. I was just worried about my thermos, I couldn't forget about that I was just holding with me, and when just I reached to that border, I just opened the thermos and I found lots of money that my brother just put it there. I exchanged those money, and make the long story short, by chance one day we found just a wonderful Canadian lady, name is Jane Thomas. She was the one that she brought us to Canada. So when I came to Canada in 1987, that was me and my wife. And now in 2015, my family from me and my wife from two, right now we are reaching to almost 150.